It's time for another trip to Ikea. And another
Ikea Hack.
At some point, you might start running out of room for diapers, forcing you to start utilizing any available space. And things can eventually get out of hand. To help solve this problem, I picked up a couple of these storage cases, called pärkla. They currently go for around 1.5 euros, or $2 in the US. And you can use them to store anything, including diapers. So let's get packing. Now you have yourself a nice little cuboid of diapers, keeping your stock in one compact space, and it's a lot easier to move around. Ikea Hack confirmed. Of course, some of you might have to invest in several of these. Bonus tip. Ikea recently released this cat-shaped plastic storage container, which also works as a cute one-diaper diaper pail. Perfect.